So the objective of today's video is to show you how to reconstitute my MetaboMgITC program on your own console. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to this web address right here and make sure you see a screen that looks like this. If you scroll down, you should start to see my README, which contains a lot of useful information. But specifically, for this video, we want to make sure that we have these programs. So our version 4.1.10 or an equivalent version, a slightly older version will probably work. DevTools, Pragma, dplyr, all installed on your console. And I highly recommend having Rstudio and tidyverse installed too. So the next thing you're going to want to do is just download the code. I'm going to go ahead and download this zip file. So I'm going to save it. Okay, it's already done. And it's already sitting here in my downloads folder. So now I can go ahead and extract all. I'm just going to extract it here. I'm going to give it a sec. There, it's done. So just going to close this. From here, we want to jump into R. So you could use base R, but I'm going to use Rstudio because it's a little more clickable. So I'm going to go open a new Rstudio session like so. I'll go up here to File. Then I'll go down to Open Project to open the MetaboMgITC project. And then I'll go to my downloads folder. Go down here, MetaboMgITC main. Wait. Let me just make sure. Download. Yep. And then down here, I have this little R project. So I'm going to go ahead and open it in Rstudio because this is going to do a lot of the work that we need to do. And it's taking a second because my computer's slow. Okay. So now that I have it open, you can see all the files. There's various stuff in here, mostly related to our biochemistry perspective. The source code is housed in this folder right here, R. But to kind of access the programs, I'm going to use the DevTools program. I'm going to type DevTools, : load _all. Okay, click go, and it loaded into my memory. And now I can go KD app calc, which is probably the main program you need. And I'm going to put a question mark to pull up the help documentation. And then here we have help documentation for the function, including its usage and what you can do with it. And the main thing that it does is it calculates an apparent KD from absolute binding constants we found in the literature for different metabolites that are in our database at different ionic strengths, I and pHs. And that's it.